Everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add links to Instagram stories without 10k followers. Let's get started. Instagram now lets every users add links, no matter their follower count. Just open your stories and upload a photo or video like normal. Then tap the sticker icon or just scroll up. Then select the link sticker. Then paste your website, YouTube video, or product link. You can change the text and style of the sticker to make it stand out. Place it where it's easy to tap, link like the center or bottom of your story. So when your audience tap the sticker, they'll go straight to your link. To swipe up needed, no 10k required. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.